Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're selling on Amazon, understanding your metrics is key to quickly accessing the most important tabs and data. Today I'll be showing you how to customize your metrics in Amazon Seller Central so you can easily track the data that matters most to your business. Let's get started. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your default metrics displayed right here on the dashboard. By clicking on Expand Metrics, you can view your sales graph and see detailed sales information by hovering over the graph. If you prefer not to see the expanded graph, you can easily hide it by clicking on Collapse Metrics. Next, you'll see the Customize option. By clicking on this, you can easily add or remove tabs to tailor the metrics displayed to your preferences. Click on the plus icon to the tabs available at the bottom to add metrics to your dashboard. Similarly, click on the minus icon to remove any metrics you don't need. And that's how you customize your metrics in Amazon Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more Amazon selling tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.